Okay, welcome to the shop. It's a nice day. Of course, I can make the weather anything I want, but I wanted to show you the upcoming attraction. This is the Helicar. Just going to walk around it a little bit. So the Helicar is a concept car, and what I've done is I've created it's a hybrid between my car script and my helicopter script. So there's a chat command where you can switch between car mode and heli mode. So let's go in. I'm just going to open the door. So both doors open. It's a two-seater, and this one is the tiny sit version. There's going to be two versions. One for tiny so that you can see normally on the inside when you're tiny, and another one just for regular humanoid avatars. So the nuclear reactor powers up when you get in. This thing does not need a charge. It has its own reactor. And it has a system of gears like any car. So when you're on the ground, it's just, a regular car. It's just much quieter. So it's a pretty quick car. It's good at crossing. It's not quite as good as most of my cars because the complexity of having the dual mode script adds a little bit, but compared to a lot of cars out there, this thing's going to cross really well. I miss this turn a lot. But the real bonus of this one is the dual mode functionality. So all you have to do is you type flight, and now we're in heli mode. Now there's no rotors. What you have is an inertial plate which provides ion propulsion from the middle. That's what gives you your basic hover. And then you have thrusters that will control the ship attitude, which will enable you to move forward in order to act like a cyclic in a helicopter. There's a HUD, and the HUD gives the same information that you get from the control screen here. I wanted to avoid the usual issues that people have with helicopters where it's just constantly sending you chat messages. So hopefully my pointer is going to show up. Anyway, on the far right there is a cross that I'm operating right now. You can see as I make a turn, it's like moving the cyclic stick left and right. So it's a representation of where the cyclic stick is. So if you want to move forward, you push the cyclic stick forward, the little dot goes forward. You want to move backward, you push the cyclic stick backward, the little dot goes backward. And then if you want to turn or do any combination thereof, then it will also do that. The other one is the collective indicator. And the crossbar in the collective indicator is just to indicate where 0 is. So this would be neutral. And then as we go below neutral, you have negative buoyancy, and then positive buoyancy as you go above neutral. So it's just like having a collective and a cyclic in a helicopter. And if you don't want to use the HUD, which I usually don't because I'm in mouse look, it's all right here in your virtual screen. You can also click on a few things. You can change miles per hour to kilometers by clicking on it. You can click on the lights, turn those on, or you can just press L to turn them on and off. And it has a radio. Let's see if I can control myself here. So when you say ground, it will go back into ground mode. So now it's in the car mode again. So the radio is here, and if I click button 1, it will turn the radio on channel 1. The radio is tuned the same way as any of my radios. This particular link in the link set is going to have a note card, which, there comes the music. It's going to have a note card where you can put in 6 radio stations. Back at our shop. Thanks for stopping by.